Dropshipping with an AI, Shopify and ChatGPT. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start dropshipping with AI and how you can do that on ChatGPT and using Shopify as your store hosting website. So let's get into it. First of all, as you can see, as you know that AI is very common these days, and all the people and a lot of people, marketers, bloggers, etc., are creating their content using AI. So we have a platform which is ChatGPT. It is basically a chatbot and it creates AI content for you. You can just ask it to create anything for you, and you can ask for various modifications as well. You can get started in a really easy manner, and what's going to be the dashboard of your ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you how you can start dropshipping on ChatGPT and how you can do how is basically going to help your Shopify store to grow. As you know that dropshipping is a very easy business model in which you have to get a store, get some products borrowed from some other website, post them on your own store, and then you can basically sell them whenever they are needed. Like if a person makes a purchase, you have to basically drop ship them directly from the store that you taken it from to your client, and in an easy way. You don't have to deal with different things, like you don't have to deal with their packaging, their posting and everything. You just have to get in the right addresses and you're good to go. You just make profit out of it. So it is very good business model, and it was very popular in the past, but during this time, like recently, there is a lot of competition in the market. That's why people think that it is like kind of it is dying or something like that, or it is not very profitable now. But if you do it the right way, it is still very profitable. You can make a couple of $1,000 yearly very easily. So here's how you can get your drop shipping in a really good game, is using this chat gpt. So I'm just going to show you how you're going to use it for drop shipping. Here you can see I have made a chat gpt to write a product description for turtlenecks for me. As you can see that a turtleneck, also known as a roll neck or polo neck, is a type of sweater or shirt with clothes fitting around high and etc. The collar is typically made of same fabric. So it is basically giving me the description of what is a turtleneck. So turtlenecks are, as you know, is a very common product during winters. A lot of people wear them. It is a product right now which is in very demand. So what I want to suggest to you is basically go on, do your product research, see what kind of products are in a market and what are the in need these days. It's the at the time of making this video, it is a winter right now, so that's why the products that are used in winter are more profitable, are more in need right now. So that's why having something that is related to if you are going into clothing or apparel or shoes or something like that, going for something that is related to winter is a good deal in these days. But if you want to just want to make a general store, if you want to make a general shop, then you can just go on and do the market search, you do the product search for anything, and you can just start creating your store. So basically the store that you are going to make is on Shopify, and then you can add Averlo or Alibaba, or you can just drop ship from these specific platforms. I have different videos for them as well. You can just go and check them out and you can start drop shipping. But how are you going to get the specifications, the different things that you need for when you're starting a store? This is what I'm going to show you. Now when you're on chat gpt, this is a chat that I have already created. You can just go on and click on a new chat. Now you can see it has different examples, like explain quantum computing in simple terms, got any creative ideas for 10 years old with it, etc. And here is the line where you're going to start a chat. So first of all, I'm just going to get a name for my brand. Like for example, if I am going to start a jewelry store, like I want to make a jewelry brand and I'm going to sell jewelry on it, because it is something that I'm a female, and that's why I have a lot of I have a good eye, I have a different knowledge about it, and I can also do market search, and I will be able to know best things about it. It is very good to go for something that you have already knowledge in and the market that you know about. So I'm just going to go for jewelry. Okay, so here you can see I have asked it to generate some company name ideas for my jewelry brand. So here you can see it has given me some ideas. I have diamond dreams, gemstone goddesses, sparkling splendor, lux jewels, bijou bliss, precious stones, glittering gold, elegant elements, chic crystals, radiant rings. So these are the names are meant to evoke the beauty, luxury, and glamour associated with jewelry. I hope these suggestions are helpful. Now, if you don't like any of them, it has given me basically 10 responses right now. If you don't like any of them, you can just go on and regenerate some other names that might be up to my liking. So you can just go on and check these out. I have Gemstone Heaven, Golden Glamour, Pearl Paradise, Silver Secrets, Treasure Trinkets, and Crystal Couture, Beaded Bliss, Sparkling Splendor, Jewelry Junction. So these are all the names that I have got. Now you can choose any one of them. Like for example, I really like the Silver Secrets or Golden Glamour. Let's say I don't want to deal in gold that much. I want something silver, or I want to deal in diamonds or pearls. You can just go on and choose any one of them, or you can basically go with something just general like Sparkling Splendor. It basically contains everything. So just go on with that. Now, if you want to add another thing, I want to add now a tagline for my brand. Like taglines are very important. Give me a tagline for the same brand. Like give me. Okay, so now I have asked it to give me a tagline for the Silver Secrets jewelry brand. Let's say this is the name that I've chosen. Now it is generating some taglines for me. You can see bringing a touch of shine to your everyday, elevate your style with silver, timeless pieces for every occasion, unleash your inner glamour with silver, experience the luxury of silver, dazzle in silver, embrace your shine with Silver Secrets. So you can just go on and choose any one of them, and you can have your tagline and your brand name very easily without doing anything in just a couple of minutes. Like you can see, this is going to look really good when you're going to basically promote it. People will be attracted towards it because it is a really good brand name, and the tagline also goes along with it. So the next thing is basically the product description. Now let's say I want to add a necklace, I want to add a bracelet as a product. Now I'm going to have a product description for that specific item that I'm going to add. For example, now I have, let's say, a necklace, and I'm going to generate a product description. Okay, so write a product description for a necklace. A beautiful necklace is the perfect addition to any outfit. The delicate chain is made of high-quality sterling silver and features a stunning pendant in the shape of a heart. The pendant is adorned with sparkling cubic zirconia stones that catch the light with every moment, adding a touch of glamour to your look. This necklace is perfect for any occasion, whether you're dressing up for a special event or adding a touch of sparkle to your everyday outfit. The chain is adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your necklace. It's a classic piece that you will treasure for years to come. Okay, now if you don't like it, like if a very good description for a necklace, but if you want to make it a little bit more, if you want to make it a little bit more appreciative, if you think it is not appreciative enough, or if it's not basically giving out the best features of your necklace, you can just go on and give the command for make it more appreciative. Like for example, I'm just going to write it. Here is a revised product description for a necklace that focuses on appreciation. Here you can see it is basically reading that command and making it more appreciative. Our exquisite necklace is a true masterpiece that will elevate any outfit. The fine chain is crafted from the finest sterling silver, and the pendant is shaped into a delicate heart. The pendant is adorned with shimmering cubic zirconia stones that catch the light with every moment, adding a touch of elegance to your look. Now it is basically retouched some of the words and made it a little bit more attractive, a little bit more appreciative. And this necklace is a timeless piece that can be worn for any occasion, whether you're dressing up for a special event or everyday outfit. This will be beloved addition to your jewelry collection. We appreciate the fine craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into each and every one of our pieces. So you can see you can generate different kind of contents. If you don't like one, you can just ask them to focus on something that is not basically hitting the right spot. So you can just go on and do that, and you're good to go. After that, you can also generate different ads. You can also generate ads for your brand. For example, generate a Facebook ad for this brand. Like I'm just going to add it, generate a Facebook ad. Here's a Facebook ad for necklace. Attention all jewelry lovers, our exquisite necklace is a true masterpiece which will elevate any outfit. The fine chain, it is basically going on with the same description again. And now if you want to add a detail Facebook ad for your brand, I'm just going to ask it, just going to ask not for necklace, for brand. Silver Secrets jewelry brand. Welcome to Silver Secrets, where timeless elegance meets modern glamour. Our collection of sterling silver jewelry is designed to enhance your natural beauty and add a touch of shine to your everyday look. From delicate pendants to sparkling earrings, our pieces are perfect for any occasion. We appreciate the fine craftsmanship and experience the luxury of Silver Secrets. Click the link below to shop now and elevate your style with our stunning collection of silver jewels. So you can see this is basically a very good generated Facebook ad which you have created in a couple of with just one click, and you can basically regenerate the response if you want, if you don't like it, and you can basically ask it to not repeat the words that it has repeated before, so that it will create something really unique for you. So this is how basically you can get everything for the your Shopify store, for your dropshipping store, and you can just go on and copy and paste these things in there, and you can add the products from different websites, and you are like really good to go. You are on the set, your marketing is done, your brand is done, your descriptions are done, everything has been taken care of from ChatGPT. So you can see that this is a really good platform for you to use. This was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care, and bye-bye.